Hello and welcome. My name is Justin Phillips. This is the Test Case Management and Automation Capstone Senior Project for FIU Computer Science. In this video, I'll be covering the shortcomings and the missing features of this project. Now, one of the first shortcomings or missing features is the search. The search was a required feature, and we had it working initially. However, we went with a composite interface for Angular, and once we did that, it broke the search feature. We believe we need to implement a service for the search feature now, but we did not have time to implement this before end of senior project. So this is one major missing feature. You should be able to click, say, when you click, and it should only show this step and this test case and none of the others. However, it doesn't do that any longer. That was the original functionality. Another missing feature is the ability to have these sorted by alphabetical order. So these are suites and they have hierarchies. We had originally tried to do this, however, a lot of the code depends on the index for sorting, and since if it's alphabetical order, it won't rely on the index, it breaks a lot of the features, and we did not have time to revamp all of that code relating to this. So that's another missing feature. Now, another shortcoming of the site is the source code repository linking. There are some features and plugins readily available in the system to support this. However, we couldn't fit that into our project schedule either in our last few iterations. So you should have the ability to go to a configuration page like the host configuration page, configure a get server or an SVN server, and then link files from this server to the various test elements like test cases, test steps, things like that. So we have a user interface section right down here in the links that will support that. So if you click the links button, you could imagine a dialog popping up, and then you could attach or link a repository file. Another requirement there is that the repository file put out notifications when changes occur. So when you log into the system and you go to this test case and it has a file linked to it from a, say, get, and there's been a new change set since you last logged in, there should be a notification that the tester receives that says this file was updated, and then they can see that they may need to run a test again or something like that. So those are some of the missing features from this project. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck with this project.